In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw lines in feet and inches in AutoCAD using Imperial units correctly. Start by typing units into the command line and press Enter to open the Drawing Units window. In the Type section, choose Engineering, since this format is designed specifically for feet and inches. Next, set the insertion scale to inches and click OK to apply the settings. Now activate the line command and begin drawing. If you want to create a line that measures only inches, simply type the value directly. For example, entering 20 creates a line that equals 20 inches. To verify the measurement, use the dist command and select both endpoints of the line. AutoCAD will display the equivalent feet and inches automatically. You can also enter measurements using both feet and inches together by typing a value like 1'10 for 1 foot 10 inches. This method is extremely useful for architectural and construction drawings where precise imperial measurements are required. With practice, entering dimensions in feet and inches becomes quick and natural. Thanks for watching and happy drafting with AutoCAD.